Hello, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll show you how to install SQLite in your environment. So for that reason, you have to go to the official website of the SQLite and you have to download the precompiled file. Okay, and if you go to this particular SQLite.org website, you can see a section that is download. Okay, so just click over here and you will be transferred to another page, download.html. And here you will see source code, documentation, precompiled binaries for Android. So as we know that it is cross-platform, that is why it is possible to install in Android, Mac OS, Windows. So as we are using the Windows operating system, that's why we'll download a bundle of command line tools for managing the SQLite database files. Okay, so let me download this file. I'll just click this one. And as you can see that it is talking about in which folder I want to save it. So let me save it in the desktop. Okay, and it is downloading. After the download, I'll cut the code and I'll paste it in the desktop inside a folder. And now I'll cut this folder and paste it in the SQLite which I have created in this desktop. So as you can see that inside our desktop I have a SQLite folder, and there I'll paste that particular file which I have downloaded, and after that I'll extract that file. So just let me click the extract all file and then click on the extract button to extract all. Okay, and as you can see that this full file you can keep it and you can delete it as you wish, but we don't require this one at this point of time. If you want to use it in the future, you can keep it in your folder. Okay, but at this point of time I don't need this because I extracted all the files. And just rename it to make it short. Okay, and after that what you have to do, just click enter, and if you go to this particular folder, you can see there is a 3 different application file: SQLite diff, SQLite3, and SQLite3 underscore analyzer. So mostly we'll use this SQLite3 in our project. Okay, now inside this folder you can see that we can actually use from this particular file also, but we'll move this particular folder to our C drive. Okay, and we'll set the environment path. So what we have to do, you have to just copy it and go to the C folder and you can paste it over here. You can also paste inside the program file, but at this point of time I'll not paste it in the C file program file. I'll just paste it inside the C drive only. Now you have to set the environment variable. So for that you have to copy this particular path and just search over here environment variable, and just click over here, and as you can see that it is here environment variable. Just click over here and double click on the path and then click new, and you can just paste over here and then click OK. Okay, so it will set your path. Here also you can see there is a path, and as you can see that I have already added this one. So if this path is not working, then from the system variable you can add the path from this section also. Okay, now I'll check that our system is actually recognizing our SQLite3 or not. So for that what we have to do, we have to open our desktop folder, and inside that particular folder what we'll do, so as you can see that we are inside our desktop folder. Now in this folder I'll create a folder and I'll just type it as a database, and then inside this, if we'll so we are inside this particular path. So if we'll remove it and if we'll type it as a cmd, and this particular path you can see that is opened in via the cmd. So what is the benefit of it? You don't have to type the cd command to move this to reach this particular path. Okay, and then what you have to do, if you type the SQL here, SQLite3, and then you have to press enter, then you can see that SQLite version 3.44.2 it is recognizing, and it is connected to the transient in-memory database. Okay, so as per our process, you have installed your SQLite 3 in your environment. Then how to create a database, how to create table, will show you in the another video. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. See you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.